Hey everyone, let's talk about something you probably never think about, your SIM card. It's tiny, but it's the gateway to your entire digital life. What if someone could clone it? SIM card cloning is a real and growing threat. Imagine someone stealing your house keys, but for your digital world. Your SIM card controls your phone number, and your phone number unlocks your email, bank, and social media. Hackers who clone your SIM can intercept your verification texts, reset your passwords, and take over your accounts. It's a silent crime that can devastate your finances and privacy before you even notice. The tools and techniques are surprisingly accessible, not just for elite hackers. Their goal? To hijack your identity and drain your accounts. They can impersonate you, read your messages, and ruin your reputation. That's why you need to understand this risk and how to defend yourself. We're pulling back the curtain on SIM cloning, what it is, how it works, and how to protect your digital life. You don't need to be a tech expert, just informed and alert. A few simple steps can make a huge difference. Think of this as your personal security briefing. In today's digital world, knowledge is your best defense. Let's get started. Let's break down what a SIM card actually is. SIM stands for Subscriber Identity Module, a tiny chip that gives your phone its unique identity on the mobile network. It stores your phone number, a unique serial number, ICCID, and a secret key called the IMSI. The IMSI is your personal account number with your carrier. The SIM also holds a secret authentication key, the key, which proves your card is legit every time you use your phone. When you turn on your phone, the SIM and the network do a secret handshake using these keys. If the answers match, you get service. This happens in a split second every time. The SIM also has a bit of memory for things like contacts, but its main job is to be your secure passport to the mobile world. Without it, your phone is just a Wi-Fi device. The trust between your SIM and your carrier is what keeps your identity safe. Hackers target this trust to break into your digital life. That's why understanding your SIM is the first step to protecting yourself. It's not just a piece of plastic, it's the key to your mobile identity, and that's exactly what hackers want to steal. Let's see why. Why do hackers target your SIM card? Because your phone number is the master key to your digital world. It's not about free calls anymore, it's about taking over your identity. Most of your important accounts, banking, email, social media, use your phone number for security. Two-factor authentication codes are sent to your phone. If a hacker clones your SIM, they get those codes. Suddenly, your security works for them. They can reset your passwords, lock you out, and drain your accounts. Payment apps, bank transfers, even loan applications, all can be hijacked if they control your number. You might just notice your phone losing service, but behind the scenes, a hacker could be emptying your accounts. Beyond money, they can read your texts, see private photos, and impersonate you to friends or colleagues. They could send fake emergency messages or spread misinformation in your name. The damage isn't just financial, it's personal and reputational. A cloned SIM gives hackers the keys to your entire life. That's why this threat is so serious. Next, let's see how they actually pull it off. The tools are simpler than you think. To clone your SIM, hackers need a few tools. First, they need physical access to your SIM card, even for just a few minutes. This could happen at a repair shop or if your phone is stolen briefly. They use a SIM card reader, a cheap device that connects to a computer. Specialized software then tries to extract your SIM's secret keys, the IMSI and KAI. Older SIM cards are especially vulnerable to these attacks. Once the hacker has your keys, they use a blank programmable SIM card, often called a super SIM. They copy your data onto it, creating a perfect digital twin. When the hacker's phone connects to the network, it looks just like your SIM. Only one device can be active at a time. So when they turn on their phone, yours loses service. It's quick, quiet, and devastating. But physical access isn't the only way. Social engineering is even more common now. Let's break down the process step by step. Here's how a SIM cloning or swapping attack usually unfolds. Step 1. The hacker gets access to your SIM, either physically or by tricking your carrier into transferring your number to their SIM. That's SIM swapping. With physical access, they use a SIM reader and software to extract your IMSI and KAI. They put your SIM back. You might never notice. Next, they program a blank SIM with your stolen data. Now they have a working clone. When they activate it, your phone loses service. With SIM swapping, they call your carrier, pretend to be you, and convince them to move your number to their SIM. Suddenly, your phone goes dead, and the hacker controls your number. They immediately start resetting passwords and breaking into your accounts. The process can take just minutes. Most victims don't realize what's happening until it's too late. The last device to connect wins, and the hacker just took your place. That's how fast your digital life can be hijacked. Now let's look at what happens next. When your SIM is cloned or swapped, the nightmare begins with confusion. Your phone suddenly loses service. You might think it's a network glitch. Meanwhile, the hacker is receiving your calls and texts. They use this window to reset your email, bank, and social media passwords. Verification codes go to them, not you. Within minutes, they can empty your bank account or lock you out of your email. The invasion of privacy is just as bad. They can read your texts, see your private photos, and access your cloud accounts. They might impersonate you, asking friends or family for money, or send damaging messages to your contacts. Your reputation, relationships, and finances are all at risk. Cleaning up after this kind of identity theft can take months or years. It's not just about lost money, it's about reclaiming your life. The emotional toll is huge. That's why prevention is so important. Let's talk about how you can protect yourself. It's easier than you think. You can protect yourself from SIM attacks. Here's how. First, set up a security PIN or password with your mobile carrier. This stops most SIM swapping attempts cold. Second, switch from SMS-based two-factor authentication to an authenticator app for your important accounts. Authenticator apps generate codes on your device, not through your phone number. Even if a hacker controls your SIM, they can't get these codes. Third, be wary of phishing attempts. Never give out personal info to unsolicited callers or emails. Hackers use this info to impersonate you with your carrier. Guard your phone's physical security, don't leave it unattended, and be careful who repairs it. Use a strong passcode or biometric lock on your phone. If your phone is lost or stolen, act fast. Contact your carrier and secure your accounts. These simple steps can make you a much harder target. Your phone is the key to your digital life. Treat it that way. Stay alert, and you'll stay safer. Now let's talk about warning signs. Know the warning signs of a SIM attack. If your phone suddenly loses service in a place with good signal, don't ignore it. Unexpected texts or emails about account changes or password resets are big red flags. If you get alerts about your number being ported or a new SIM activated, act immediately. Watch for strange activity on your accounts, like transactions you didn't make or friends getting odd messages from you. If you suspect something's wrong, try making a call. If it fails, contact your carrier's fraud department right away. Use another phone or web-based service if needed. Time is critical. The faster you act, the more you can limit the damage. Don't wait for the problem to fix itself. Stay vigilant and trust your instincts. Your SIM card is the core of your mobile identity. Protect it. SIM cloning and swapping are real threats, but you're not powerless. Understanding these attacks is your first line of defense. Hackers constantly evolve their methods, but their goal is always your phone number. Security is an ongoing habit. Review your account settings and stay informed. Add a security PIN to your carrier account. Use authenticator apps, and be skeptical of unsolicited messages. These habits make you a tough target. Don't wait for warning signs. Take action now. Think of it as installing an alarm system for your digital life. A few minutes of prevention can save you months of stress. Stay smart, stay alert, and stay one step ahead. You have the power to protect your digital identity. Thanks for watching. Now go secure your SIM.